وسائل النقل والاتصال قديما وحديثا means of transportation.
وسائل yes, means of transportation and communication,
Hmm.
old and new.
Old and new, yes. ما وسائل النقل في الماضي? Read it.
ما وسائل النقل في الماضي؟
Hmm.
نحن آه، آه،
What are
كان
the means of hmm, transportation in the
what the
past?
transportation we had in the past.
Yes.
Uh, how is camel?
Camels. الجمال.
الجم الجمال و
ال-
أيضا
الحمير. donkeys.
yes الحمار
Hmm.
و
البغاء. البغال mules.
برال و how is pigeon حمام حمام
Piguan. Yes, this is Piguan. Yes, hammam.
حمام
This is another thing. It will be here.
Mhm.
So, ما وسائل النقل الحديثة? What is the means of transportation, modern means of transportation?
طيارة قطار
Mm. Yes.
طيارة
القطار. Uh,
القطار it is train
yes, train. الطائرة.
الطائرة plane and
Yes,
سيارة
plane.
car.
سيارة car. Very good. ما وسائل الاتصال في الماضي? What are the means of communication in the past?
حمام طيور
Mm.
فقط هذا
نعم، حمام طيور. Yes. ما وسائل الاتصال الحديثة? What are the means of transportation in modern era?
اتصال communication.
Hmm.
الآن نحن عندنا
Hmm.
moment
Yes. الشبكة الدولية.
الشبكات
الهاتف.
الدولية
الهاتف.
الهاتف
تليفون.
الحاسوب
الحاسوب. Yes.
كل حاجة.
لابتوب. كل هذا. Yes. Right. Read from here and translate. يتكون
يتكون العلوم من
العالم.
العلم
Hmm.
من 6 كرات.
Hmm.
The world consists from 6 continents.
Continents. Right.
ويبلغ أعداد شبكات أكثر من 6 مليارات إنسان.
This is سكانه. عدد سكانه. Yes.
سكان.
Hmm.
And the amount of population
Hmm.
reach more than 6 million
Billions. This is مليارات. Billions.
billion
Hmm.
people.
Yes.
هذا العلم الواسع. This is the world wide
Hmm.
world.
This wide world أصبح became
أصبح became
hmm,
Caribbean صغيرا.
قرية صغيرة.
قرية صغيرة become a small village.
أحسنت. Very good.
كيف صار ذلك?
Hmm.
How it happened?
How did that happen? Yes.
How did it happen?
Hmm.
هناك سببان.
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 Hmm.
Here are 2 reasons.
Hmm. هناك there are. هناك there are.
Yes, هناك
Hmm.
2
Yes.
reasons.
Hmm.
و
أولهما first of them.
أوله first of all
Hmm.
وسائل النقل الحديثة.
Hmm.
And here uh,
Modern means of transportation.
modern means of transport.
Hmm.
وثانيهما
Hmm.
and the second وسائل الاتصال
وسائل
الحديثة
وسائل الاتصال الحديثة.
اتصال حديثة
Hmm.
and here are communication
Modern means of
means
communication. Hmm.
كانت وسيلة النقل في العصور القديمة
Hmm.
بطيئا جدا
Hmm.
and transport of
Means of transportation.
in era times
Hmm.
and old era times
Hmm.
slow a lot.
Yes, right.
وكان الناس يسافرون ماشيا على القديم
Hmm.
ويحملون حاجاتهم
Hmm.
على ظهورهم
Hmm. وكان الناس
and
يسافر.
people
Hmm.
travel.
Hmm. And
What
people
does it مشيا
مشيا وكان الناس يسافرون and people used to travel مشيا على الأقدام uh, on their foot on their foot.
foot
Hmm. ويحملون.
على القديم on foot.
Mhm. Yes,
And مشيا it is walk, yes, walk
walking,
on
yes,
foot.
walking on foot, yes, walking. مشيا means walk, yes.
ويحملون
Hmm.
حاجياتهم على
Hmm.
ظهورهم. What does
Hmm.
it mean? يحملون
يحملون means
حاجاتهم
carry. يحملون carry. حاجاتهم
carry
their need and carry their needs على ظهورهم on their backs, on their backs.
means on their backs.
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 أو رؤوسهم or heads and
أو
carry their
رسوم.
needs on their backs and heads.
ثم أخذ الناس
Hmm.
يستعملون
Hmm.
الحيوانات.
وَنَاتِ. And then started people, and then people
أخذ
started. أخذ means started.
started people يستعملون
الحيوانات. Using animals. Then the people started using animals. كالجمال,
كالجمال
such as camels.
yes جمال it is camels
Hmm.
والبغلال. What is
والبغال.
بغلالي?
والبغال.
بغلالي.
Mules.
What?
Mules.
I don't understand.
Mules. Mules.
Can you write me this?
Hmm. This is mules. This is the animal. His body is between Jamal and Hamir. Between horse,
Hamir, it is donkey.
between horse and uh, uh, donkey. It is the animal between horse and donkey. His body is between horse and donkey. It is used to carry for carrying anything. Yes, I'm going to
Uh,
write it.
Thank you very much.
Hmm. This one. You can search is in net. So mules.
Mules. Yes, mules.
Yes.
Mules.
Hmm. والحمير donkeys.
حمير في نقل حاجاتهم.
To transport their needs.
حاجاتهم it is needs.
حاجاتهم yes needs. حاجات
Mhm.
needs. نقل means transport.
بعد
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 مدة.
مدة after
A while.
مدة while
While yes. After a long time.
after سنة الإنسان
Hmm.
عربات صغيرة
Hmm.
الصناعة
صنع made.
made
Yes, made. إنسان. So
people made
men
عربيات
men made عربات صغيرة. Small vehicles, small carts, you can say. Small vehicles, carts, trolleys.
صغيرة
Hmm.
لها أربعة
Hmm.
عجلات
Hmm.
تسير
لها
دون
أربع عجلات with four vehicles. Sorry, with four wheels.
wheels
Wheels, yes. تسير دون
wheels
محرك.
تسير دون
Hmm.
تسير دون
محرك. That moved without an engine.
دون
تسير
محرك محرك
مح-
it is engine
engine, yes. دون means without. محرك engine.
ثم
Hmm.
صنعت بعد ذلك
Hmm.
المركزي
المراكب
moment
الشراعية. المراكب الشراعية.
then
ثم
صنعت
yes. Then later صنعت بعد ذلك المراكب الشراكية. المراكب الشراكية means sailboats which are moved through the air. So sailboats uh, were made. صنعت made. After
made
that. Made, yes, made. Then
made after that
المراكب الشراعية.
المراكز what is
Sailboats. Sailboats. Do you know sailboats?
no
It is uh, the boats which are moved with the air through the pressure of air without engine.
أها الشراعية
الشراعية sail yes
it is boat
yes المراكب الشراعية sailboats which are moved with the pressure of air without
مهم.
engine.
التي
Hmm.
تسير على
على
الماء
الماء. That moves on water. That move on water.
آه، صنع الناس في
الإنسان.
الإنسان في العصر الحديث
Hmm.
مركبات
Hmm. Uh,
people made
hmm.
in العصر
الحديث.
الحديث new but
Hmm.
العصري what is
Hmm.
العصري
Al-Asr means time in modern time. Era, time.
هذا
Hmm. This is times. Usur, times. Asr,
أها.
time. This is plural.
مهم.
Usur, times. Asr, time. In modern time, in modern era, people made markabatin vehicles تعمل بالمحركات powered by engines.
فظهر كثيرا من وسائل
Hmm.
النقل الحديثة
Hmm.
فظهر
Appeared.
appear.
كثير من وسائل النقل. More. كثير means more. وسائل النقل means of transportation. So many
Modern,
modern means of transportation were appeared.
appeared.
Hmm.
مثل
Such as
such as السيارات, cars,
cars,
والقراءات,
قطارات,
um,
trains,
trains, والسفن,
والسفن,
سفن
ships,
ship,
والطائرات,
وطائرات planes.
yes, airplanes,
جعلت هذه الوسيلة
وسائل. مم.
العلامة قرية
مم.
صغيرة.
مم. Yes, so جعلت هذه الوسائل. These means made. جعلت made. العالم the world. These means made the whole world small village.
مهم.
جعلت
فالناس
فالإنسان
ينتق
فالإنسان
الإن فالإنسان
a person
ين
مم.
person ينتقل
مم.
في ساعة.
في ساعات.
ينتقل
ينتقل means moves moves from place to place.
must
Moves, M-O-V-S, moves. The person moves uh, in hours from country to country.
أها
Hmm.
من بلد إلى بلد, from country to the country.
Hmm.
ومن قرية إلى قرية, and from the village to the village.
Hmm.
وهذا
No,
يختلف.
Qara means continent.
continent.
Qarya means Qaryatun here village.
From continent to continent.
This is Qarya, this
وهذا
is village. Qaryatun. And this is Qara continent. Yes.
مهم.
This one.
وهذا يختلف عما كان في الماضي.
This
And
is this is different from what was in the past.
يختلف different.
Different, yes. عما from what كان في الماضي in the past.
حيث كان الناس يحتاج إلى أيام وشهور.
حيث where كان الإنسان يحتاج
where
إلى
people
Hmm.
where people different from
يحتاج
they
yes يحتاج means needed.
needed.
Where a person needed to days and months. لينتقل to move من مدينة إلى مدينة from city to city.
ينتقل
ينتقل move moving from
move.
place to another place.
uh أما السبب الثاني. أما, what does it
Just
mean?
one second, please.
أما
Yes. أما السبب الثاني is for another reason. أما is for السبب الثاني another reason. Is for another reason.
الذي جعل
which
العلامة
which made the world قرية صغيرة small village.
village.
What is the another reason? So this is the another reason.
فهو وسيل
وسائل الاتصال الحديثة.
اتصل حديثا مثلا. So this is the means
modern means of
communication
communication.
مثل such as الصحفي. الصحفي, what is it?
Newspapers.
والهاتف تليفون. والإذاعة, what is الإذاعة?
Radio. Radio.
راديو
Mm.
والتلفزي تلفزيون والحاسوبي كمبيوتر والشبكات الدولية
Mm.
and
International
international
network.
network
Network. Mm.
التي جعلت الإنسان
Mm.
يعرف أولا بيولي
التي which جعلت
which
made الإنسان the man
make
يعرف
people
people
understand
understand uh, and know أولا بأول uh, everyone you can say latest news every news
Mhm,
so التي which make the people know and understand every news
mhm.
everything
ما
أولا
يحدث
it is actually means first of all. So
أها
this is yes ما يحدث في جميع بلاد العالم.
ما يحدث what does it mean ما
What
يحدث
ما يحدث what is happening في جميع
أها
في جميع بلاد العالم in all countries of the world.
الجميع what is that
جميع all بلاد
all
countries في
of
all
the world
countries of the world.
Mhm.
Hmm.
آه، كانت وسائل الاتصال في العصور القديمة
Hmm.
بطيئة جدا.
Hmm.
That means of communication were in العصور العصور
القديمة
what is العصور
عصور times قديمة old times in old era but
بطيئة
they were very slow a lot.
slow جدا.
جدا means a lot very. مم. الإنسان
فالإنسان
مم.
يرسل
مم.
الأخبار
معلومات.
والمعلومات
مم. So the man sends يرسل sends
م?
الأخبار news والمعلومات and information عن طريق صوته via its voice through his voice. It is
تاريكي what is تاريكي
طريق means uh, path you can say through عن طريق
through
صوته through his
a
voice صوت voice.
way مهم.
مم.
أو عن
طريق
طريق
العدائين.
الدين
عداء means runner.
runner
مم. عدائين it is plural وعن طريق العدائين through the
مهم.
runners. So they run from the from the area to another area, from the place to another place. So they were running. So through this way, they were transmitting and sends their news.
مهم. and now we have أو
Mm.
عن طريق الحمام
الزاجل.
الزجاجي
Mm. And through the carrier pigeon.
and way through
Mm.
حمامي
Hammam,
pigeon
hammam, yes, pigeon. And azajil means carrier. So I may you know that in the past era, the people used to try to tie a letter to the feet of a pigeon. Got it?
Mhm.
They were tying
Yes.
a letter to the feet of pigeon and then fly the pigeon. Then the pigeon uh, were flying away to the place they mentioned. Like this way, they were sending the
وكانت
messages. Yes.
الأخبار
Hmm.
تصل بعد هذه الطويلة.
Hmm. In the news, وكانت الأخبار in the news were تصل arrived بعد مدة طويلة after a long time.
الأخبار news تصل
Hmm.
sent تصل it is
تصل means arrived.
arrive
Hmm.
after marathon
مدة طويلة after a long time.
وقد لا تصل في
Hmm.
كثيرة من الأخبار الكيان.
أحيانا وقد لا تصل and in many cases not arrived. In many cases وقد لا تصل في كثير من الأحيان. كثير من الأحيان كثير من many أحيان cases. In many cases قد لا تصل it uh, would not arrive. In many cases uh,
They didn't arrive.
yes, it doesn't arrive. Yes.
Teacher,
Hmm.
can I show you one test? Mm, one test. If maybe you can help me to do
What is test?
a test. I will show you
Yes.
because I started to do, and maybe you can help me.
Yes, yes. Send it to me through WhatsApp, so I will help you,
Uh,
inshallah.
uh, I will send you the link,
Yes.
or I will maybe I can share the screen.
Now you can, yes, share it.
No.
Share your screen.
You must stop sharing.
Hmm.
If you can stop sharing.
So I'm going to stop.
Yes. Maybe I can now. Oh. And here I have
Hmm.
something like that, and I wanted to.
Hmm. Yes.
Kama marakaka.
مرقق كلمة مرققة. It is light letter. Light. Yes.
And I will
كلمة
murakakaton.
مفخمة.
Murakak.
Yes,
I will
مرققة.
write myself
Hmm.
like the letter.
Hmm.
And mufahama, it is heavy
مفخمة
letter.
مفخمة heavy letter.
I will write in kama mufahama heavy letter.
Right.
And here lama في كما في كما لها.
كلمة الله إذا كان الحرف الذي قبلها كسرة
Oh, and
ننطق
it will
كلمة
be
كلمة الله
marakaka.
مرققة. This is مرققة.
But can you tell me the difference between murakaka and mufahama?
Yes, in pronunciation practically.
In pronunciation, I know, but how I know that it is murakaka?
Yes, yes. This is in this lesson you can see. Yes. After stop the screen. I am going to share something with you.
But I know this because before the page I have murakaka and
Hmm.
mufahama.
Hmm.
But murakaka I have where it is we read like Allah, Allah,
Yes.
and mufahama Allah.
Yes, Allah. Right. You are right.
But when I have sentence like this,
Hmm.
from where I must know that it is murakaka?
Yes, so please stop your screen, sharing screen. I am going to tell you. Yes.
Mm.
Here is something to see. This is, you can see here, muraqqaqa
Yes.
and mufakhama. So, muraqqaqa, we will read it muraqqaqa when إذا كان مسبوقة بكسرة. This is the word Allah. So, we will see if in the front of Allah is kasra,
Uh-huh.
we will pronounce it muraqqaqa, just like lillahi. So here is kasra.
Lillahi.
Here is kasra,
Uh-huh.
lillah. This is
But
muraqqaqa.
from where we know that here it will be kasra if we don't have fatha damma?
So uh, there are two way to know. First, if they put it here the kasra like this.
Yes. And
So
if we
here you
don't
can
have
see here. Listen to me. Here you can see there is no kasra because there is fatha.
fatha.
Got
Mhm.
it? And the second,
Yes.
if they didn't put any sign just like this, so it will, you should know Arabic for that. Otherwise, you
Aha.
cannot know this thing.
I
Got it?
understand now.
Yes, yes.
Yes, I got
So
it.
this is here you can say Bismillah. Here is
Billahi.
here the kasra is
Bismillahi.
put it. Kasra is put it down. Got it? Bismillah. It is more.
Bismillahi
Yes.
ar-Rahmani
Mhm.
Rahim.
Yes. وَمَن يَتَّقِ اللَّهِ. Here is kasra.
Hmm.
Kasra was put it here. وَمَن إِن كُنَّ يُؤْمِنَّ بِاللَّهِ. You can say here kasra was put it in the front
Mm-hmm.
of Allah. Billahi. This is billahi. Abdillahi.
Mm-hmm.
Kasra here.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. So
Okay.
in other cases, you should pronounce it mufakhama, heavy. Wallahu, because there is no kasra. وَمَا بِكُم
Mm-hmm.
مِّن نِعْمَةٍ فَمِنَ اللَّهِ فَمِنَ اللَّهِ. It is not sukun, it is fatha. فَمِنَ اللَّهِ. وَاتَّقُوا There is dhamma in the front of Allah. You can
Mm-hmm.
see. Taqullah. This is
Taqullaha. Yes.
Abdullah. Here is dhamma. So in one case, we will pronounce it muraqqaqa, light.
Mm-hmm.
You
Allahi.
Yes,
Allah.
lillahi. If we see there is
Lillahi.
kasra, if we see there
Lillahi.
is kasra in the front of Allah, in the front of this lam, so we will
Mm-hmm.
pronounce it muraqqaqa, light. Lillahi, Bismillahi, wa man yattaqillahi. I also teach Quran to the kids and adults. So this is the tajweed rule. Do you know tajweed?
Mm-hmm. No.
Correct pronunciation of Quran.
We can sometimes read Quran.
Yes. So I teach my student this thing, but here we are. I am teaching you Arabic. So this is in kunna min billahi. In other cases,
Mm-hmm.
just like this, there is zamma. So in these
Mm-hmm.
cases, we will pronounce it mufakhama, heavy.
Mufahama.
Is it
Mm-hmm.
clear? So this is
Yes, it is clear.
exercise. This is exercise. Abdillahi. This is muraqqaqa.
Abdullahi. Mm-hmm.
Allahu. This is mufakhama. Because there is fatha. Abdullahi. There is
Mm-hmm.
mufakhama because there is zamma. Got it?
Okay. Yes.
Wafaqak Allah. There is so.
So we can go to the test again. We will see if I did.
Yes, yes.
Uh, and here is Izan, Kana, Al Haruf. الذي قبل كما
كلمة الله
لاهي لا
لا
يت
يمتلك
يت
كسرة نقرأ
نقرأ
الله.
له.
Yes,
So مفهمة.
مفخمة. Right.
لله نقرأ
لله مرققة.
مرككة.
مم. اتقوا
آه،
الله.
اتقوا الله.
Which one?
الله
اتقوا.
اتقوا الله.
Who? Who? Who is in the front of Allah? So who is Zamma here? It will be
الله
Mufakhama.
نقرأ أما.
It should be Mufakhama. Hmm.
مين ينتقى له
May yattaqillaha. Qi. Here is
لها
Kasra. Muraqqaqa.
مفهمة
Muraqqaqa.
مرككة.
Hmm.
آه، مكرت الشبكات. مكرت
الشبكات.
مكرت
الشبكة. الشبك.
الشبكة.
Hmm.
international.
Hmm. Net. الشبكة net. Hmm.
what is المفرد؟
Mufrad means singular. Singular of
المفرد
ashabakat. What is the singular of shabakat? So you will write ashabakatu.
الشبك. so it will be
You will remove alif. You will remove alif. Ashabakatu.
aha from this. Yes,
Remove this alif.
this
No, this alif. This one. The
this
no. In ashabaka after kaf. After kaf. After kaf there is alif. Ashabaka between kaf and ta. Yes, this one. Remove it. Ashabakatu, but convert the ta in the last to the circular ta.
it is good now.
No, not this
But
ta.
maybe you can write me because I don't have Arabic letters.
Yes, I will write. So I will write, yes.
It's the problem because I don't have
So I will write it, no problem. No problem. I am going to write it in the chat. So see it. I am going to write it.
Sara, chyba się angielski zaczął, ale nie mam tego. Nie mam baterii. Najwyżej dzisiaj już nie będziesz miała. Dobrze? No, to mogę. Idź podłącz mi telefon tam. Podłącz mi telefon, powiedziałam.
A na tablecie da się?
Może się da, ale już 10 minut minęło tam.
I have sent it.
Zaraz jej puść.
Ashabaka. See in the chat Ashabaka. This one, right? You are right now.
Ale hiwaru rakam 1.
This is remaining. This one. The second one. Mufradul Shabakat and Mufradul Aswat.
Shabakat, good I wrote.
But the second one, Mufradul Aswat,
Aha.
As-Sawt.
الص- الصوت. It will be الصوت. What does it mean الصوت?
الأصوات voices. الصوت voice.
Without alif?
Without alif. الصوت.
Oh, if you can write me
I
because
I I wrote. Check it.
the problem is in my computer.
الصوت. All right.
Okay. Thank you. And we can do our lesson. مفككة. I understand now. مرككة. مفخمة. I understand now. عدد سكاني.
سكان.
سكاني. سكان it is people.
Yes. So سكان means population.
Population. العالم 4 مليارين.
4 billion?
It's true, صحيح.
Not true. It is false. 6 مليارات.
6 مليار.
Right. Yes. أصبح
I will
العالم.
write state.
مم.
E. 6. أصبح العالم قرية صغيرة بسبب ترى وسائل النقل والتسيير. هذا
والاقتصاد.
التضامن. So أصبح, what is أصبح?
أصبح means صار. Both means أصبح and صار mean became. The word became.
The word became a small village because of
Means of communication and transportation.
Yes, it's true. العربات الصغيرة من وسائل.
العربات الصغيرة small cars.
العربات cars.
من وسائل النقل الحديثة.
Yes, it's true.
No.
صغيرة it was before big. Yes.
من وسائل النقل القديمة is right. من وسائل النقل القديمة.
قديمة. I will write قديمة. قديمة. سنياتي المساكيب الشرائيات قبل العربات الصغيرة.
Sailboats, the boats, ships which are moved with the air, with the pressure of air. صنعت made قبل العربات الصغيرة before of small cars. So it is not right. بعد العربات الصغيرة.
سنياتي it is made.
المراكب الشراعية sailboats. The boats which are moved through the pressure of air.
قبل before.
Before of small cars, not after the small cars.
So it's
بعد العربات الصغيرة.
بدأ ب د بدأ. تمام.
مم.
ال- المركبات التي تعمل بالمحركات من وسائل النقل الحديثة.
المركبات التي تعمل بالمحركات.
المركبات
Those vehicles which are moved, which are powered by engine. They
engine.
are
How is engine?
from the new means of transportation. Yes, it is right.
How is engine?
Engine.
How is engine?
تعمل بالمحركات, which is moved through the engine.
Mhm. كم قرية في العلوم؟
كم قارة في العالم? How many continents are in the world?
So قرية is continent.
قارة. It is not قرية. قرية means village. قارة means continent.
Is 7.
ستة. 6.
6. هناك 6 قرية في العلوم.
قارة. هناك
قارة
6 قارات في العالم.
قارة في العالم. ما الحيوانات التي
This one. Second
الحي
one. كيف أصبح العالم قرية صغيرة؟ How?
كيف أصبح
Hmm. How
became
was
أصبح it is became
became, yes. How did the
آه،
world become small village?
بسبب وسائل
بسبب
النقل والاتصال.
والاتصال. This is اتصال. Hmm. Right. ما الحيوانات
So,
التي استعملها الإنسان قديما للنقل؟
الحيوانات it is
Animals.
animals. Which animals
Hmm. استعملها
استعملها
الإنسان human used قديما in old era للنقل for transportation.
so we had here
الجمال
الجمال الحمار
والحمير
حمير.
والبغال.
مم.
These. Right. Carry on.
ما وسائل الاتصال الحديثة؟ التيار
القطارات
الطيارات.
والسيارات والطائرات.
نعم.
السفن التي تتحرك بالمحرك. Ships
Yes.
which are moved
كي
through the engine. Hmm.
مم. ويقولون لا. كيف كان الإنسان يرسل المعلومات والخبر في الماضي؟
Hmm.
How people under
How people were
يرسلوا
sending the informations and the news in the past. Yes, عن طريق الصوت, through his voice. And on طريق العدائين through the runners.
الحمامي
حمامي. عن طريق
الزاجلي
الحمام الزاجل. Right. Through the
زاجل.
carrier pigeon. Right.
Jakie ładne.
I think this is enough for today.
Yes. We will I will book the lesson after tomorrow because tomorrow I'm coming home 500 kilometers.
Yes, no problem. Okay. It's up to you. When you get free, so you can
Yes.
book it.
Yes. See you tomorrow and thank you for a very nice lesson.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you.
See you soon.
See you.